Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the red iPhone 8 Plus. Yes, the red iPhone 8 Plus. I know I've been doing a lot of phone unboxings, but I've made the decision that I don't need a Note 8 and an S9 Plus, so I went ahead and sold the S9 Plus and picked up the iPhone 8. I really love the red color. That's the only reason I got it. Obviously, I have an iPhone 10. But the red color is something I missed last year with the iPhone 7, and this year it looks even better with the black front and the glass back. The red is a lot more vibrant and colorful, so we're going to get to unboxing this. It was an eventful trip up to the Apple Store. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours away from me. I had my GPS set on shortest route instead of fastest route, so I got taken through like downtown, which was like 25 miles an hour and a stop sign every 10 feet because it's like downtown, like college, like old town. And the S9's resetting itself, so now it's talking. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and unbox the iPhone 8 Plus in red. So this is the Sprint iPhone 8 Plus, not that that matters, they're all the same. We're going to go ahead and peel the plastic off here. So nice. I saw it on display in the Apple Store, and the red is amazing. We have a red Apple logo, red iPhone text on the side there. I cannot wait to see this. Before we take the phone out, we're going to leave that there for a second. Ooh, looks nice. This is a product red iPhone, so proceeds do go to support HIV and AIDS research for the Red Foundation, which is awesome. So you do get a little product red card explaining all that right there. And then you have your welcome to iPhone, your iPhone user guide thingy, and your warranty, and of course 2 Apple stickers. Nothing too important there. And then here we go. The red iPhone 8 Plus. That is amazing. That is the best looking iPhone I have seen yet. This was definitely worth it. It is, I mean, I wish these came out in every, on every iPhone model. I wish they had an iPhone 10 in red that came out when it was released. The black front definitely is an improvement over last year's white front. Amazing look. And then you have your iPhone with your product red right there. So that's all the text you have on the back, just iPhone and product red, which I definitely don't mind the product red, branding right there, because it's definitely for a good cause. So that is the iPhone. That's what it looks like. Right now the color reproduction on the camera does look accurate, so it's just, depending on your monitor, that's basically what it looks like in person. What it looks like on my camera screen is what it looks like for me as well. Then you have your standard ear pods with your lightning connector and your adapter. I haven't lost one of these yet, knock on wood, not that I use them anyway though. Lightning cable, I'm going to leave that in the box. I have plenty of those out and about. And the regular 5-watt wall charger, which I wish they would include fast charging chargers maybe on the next generation iPhone. That'll be something that comes standard. But I'm going to leave all the accessories in the box because I don't need any chargers or earpods rather right now. And I'm going to put this back in the packaging. I always say I'm going to keep these phones just because it's like a special edition, but I know there's going to be probably a red one next year, and I'll probably end up selling this one to get that one, or sell it before to get another phone or whatever that comes out. So I'm just going to leave everything in the box so it is there for the next person, brand new, if I don't need to use it. That's the red iPhone 8 Plus. I got the 8 Plus because I want the bigger screen and the camera. Not that I don't use the camera too much, but definitely an awesome device. Definitely, even if you're like mid upgrade, it's definitely worth it if you like the color red. It's a beautiful phone, and I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna go no case on this for a while because I want to show the color. I don't want to put a big bulky OtterBox or something on it that's gonna hide the red color, which was basically the point of purchasing the phone. So look forward to some more videos on this. Maybe I'll do a couple more videos on it. It's just a regular iPhone 8 Plus though, so I don't, not too much to do. But this has been Colin with Techout. Today is Friday, the day this just released. If you guys enjoyed this video, click that subscribe button. Feel free to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.